Hello fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, these people want to make me Edochie look like bad person. These people want to make me Edochie look like she's overdoing, she's overreacting to nothing. These people want to make me Edochie believe that what happened is nothing, is a normal thing that happened to everybody. Then why is she overreacting? It's just a normal thing, according to them. Juju Ekwensu and you are getting it hot. Really, really hot. And as I thought on so, kasala dey in between grandpapa Yo and Juju Ekwensu. Big kasala. It be like say very soon the truth of this whole matter will come aside. Like I always tell you people, the truth of this matter is not yet out. We are still beating around the bush. Remember that we are still beating around the bush. May Edochie have not said anything. No, the woman have not said anything. I always tell you people, the day when May Edochie go talk, everywhere go scatter. May Edochie never talk. She herself still dey try to cut some parts just to protect some people. No human being go wake up one morning say, oh, this person I just get am for mind today, I will deal with that person. Unless say that person na Juju Ekwensu and that person na yo. Because now let these two people they see say that they wake up in the morning, their plan go just be May Edochie. They will just set camera, begin they sing Agagbana Dumba, Ungala, Unga Belengedi, Amagana Bumba, Isigini, Amagana Bunda. Now don't forget, they will just wake up, they do video to pepper May Edochie. They're going to do May Edochie in turn for front of camera. Now let Juju Ekwensu and you I don't see. Say people go wake up in the morning, they do their different prayer and do their different things for life. But Juju Ekwensu and you go wake up on camera. They mock May Edochie, they pepper May Edochie, they laugh May Edochie. Those people went far. They went far. May Edochie na good person. No matter what you talk, May Edochie na good person. Me wey they talk to you, I can't take that May Edochie patience. Juju Ekwensu for that join the ancestor. Wallahi talai, not be for mouth. She for that join her ancestors. Any wish we want to go, no concern me. So far I know say she offend me, she must go. You see the reason why you don't give your enemy chance. You don't give them chance. Because they are already your enemy. Anybody that speak bad of you, that wants your downfall, anybody that wants to bring you down, anybody that mocks you, laugh at you, when he knows you are in pain, they are your enemy. God no dey give your enemy chance. God no dey give your enemy chance. So who am I, a human created by him, to give my enemy chance so that they will come in full force to finish me? I don't do that. May Edochie gave these people a lot of time. But do you know why I will not blame May Edochie? I will not blame May Edochie because in this life, we get different kind of souls. Until you understand that, you won't understand life. May Edochie is a soft-hearted soul, guided. A lot of people are soft-hearted soul and not guided. Know where you belong. May Edochie is guided. There are some strong guidely angels behind her. All of us get our guidely angels. All of us get guiding angels that protect us. The forces, the guiding angels of May Edochie are strong. So even if you come, even if she forgive you, she not forgive you, only one prayer where she go make, everywhere go scatter. She have that grace. What about somebody that don't have the grace? That's why you need to understand what works with your spirit, what goes with your aura. Some people, they don't dare too soft, they'll send it to their early grave. So beware. May Edochie is lucky she have this protection on her. Juju Ekwe, if not, Juju Ekwensu and yo, therefore don't buy them. Their intention is to remove this woman. Their intention is to buy this woman. But May Edochie have a strong protection from God in her. That's why she's still there. So for those of you that don't have that kind of protection, if you wait, you'll buy your enemy. That's why you see a lot of people that say, oh, this person good, it not last. They have soft hearts, they are not guided. These evil people always take your good for granted. They always take your kindness for granted. And remember, your enemy is your enemy. Don't let anybody deceive you. Don't let anybody deceive you. Forgive. Oh, do this. Not lie. There are people you don't forgive. There are people you don't forgive. Did God forgive devil? Learn from who you serve. Did God forgive devil? There are certain people you don't forgive. Even God will understand you. Speak to him. Tell him we understand you. The way that they do, it will continue like this. Because them now, they don't go native daughter. They don't carry me Edochie matter go native daughter. They don't go nakam for native daughter house. They don't carry me Edochie matter put for there. Native daughter don't use native hit the court case. They feel safe. They feel say nothing will happen to them. No weapon fashioned against them will prosper in that court. They were standing solidly. They do not care. They were posting evidence with their own hands. They were selling themselves to the court. You imagine waking up and telling the world that you don't born, then go court saying they do content. Calling Juju Ekwensu children content, calling Juju Ekwensu a content creator, a colleague. Calling Juju Ekwensu a fellow colleague and not his wife. Everything don't backfire now. Yes, everything don't backfire. I explained given her yesterday part of what is going on. And this whole thing is becoming tougher in the household of the Edochie. This whole thing is getting out of hand. Grandpapa don't shook mouth enter the matter. He don't call me Edochie now. They tell me Edochie say, waiting, Ogini. What happened? Is it not this small matter we will just talk so? Why will me Edochie be this wicked? How will she go this far? I thought you said you are a Christian. I thought you called yourself a Christian. Does Christian behave like this? Does a Christian behave the way you're behaving? So you want to really send people to jail? You really want to send people, make they arrest them, make they go, they beg money, they borrow money, they enter debt. If they not feel pay now, they can't buy themselves. Is that what Christianity stand for? He has begged you a lot of time. Let's go this matter. Let's go. After all, you say you don't move on. Let Juju Ekwensu and you just go. Let them move on with their life. This whole thing is too much for them. It's too much. Now they hear the way into the beg me Edochie. These are the kind of people that are pleading at the same time trying to make you look like bad person. The reason why I tell you people to be very careful of such people. Now the blame, they want to put it on me Edochie. Me Edochie is doing too much. Me Edochie. But when your son was misbehaving on social media, you called him King Solomon of our time. You said King Solomon was the wisest king. You called him King Solomon. How come he's not wise again? How come he's no longer wise? I laugh in Chinese, my people. King Solomon not wise again. Where his wisdom go? You don't use am buy pint for Juju Ekwensu. Abi don't use am buy bra because that are milk industry. When he go feed all the children where they the world. Use am buy bra for am. Where is the wisdom now? Did you call him in order when he was publicly disgracing himself on social media? Shouting Ezedike, Ezedike, Isimiri Jofo, Ezedike, when he was publicly disgracing himself. Did you people call him in order? When he was mocking me Edochie and disrespecting her on social media, did you people call him in order? When he was publicly, indirectly using Juju Ekwensu to prove a point to the world that May Edochie failed her duty as a wife and a mother, that Juju Ekwensu is the one that gave him peace, making his wife look like a war front soldier. Did you call him in order? Did you tell him that he has a divorce case in the courts? Did you call him to enter house and close him out? Nana way court, not even May Edochie. That is the good news inside. Not even May Edochie take action. Now that the court has begun to throw fire from this case, all of una don't begin to blame May Edochie. May Edochie, why? Why go this far? Why won't she go far? Where she won't go? Where una say may she go? As una say una pass everything, you can't pass the law. As then they do juju, May Edochie put her trust in God and in the courts. Why is Grandpapa now begging? Begging at the same time, trying to blame May Edochie. Please now, this kind of thing we can settle it. Settle where? Settle exactly where? Juju Ekwensu and you will pay for everything they did to her. They will pay. All this beg where you beg Grandpapa, it will not solve anything. It will not help anything. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. Why did you not prevent it when you have the time to prevent it? Grandpapa say no, they sleep again. All of them has become having sleepless nights. Hey, when God want to punish your enemy, in the night, the first they wake up. You know, say hand or they meet them. I'm not talking of spiritual gifted people. Spiritual gifted people, you people don't sleep in the night, especially from 3. You are awake. You know why? Because of the power you're carrying. You can't be sleeping with that kind of power by 3 o'clock. Never. You can't. So God always wake you up. Even if you don't know, sometimes something in you is fighting for people around you, surrounding you. You won't know. You are there just asking yourself why I wake up. But your spirit is fighting for people around you. So those ones are not the one I'm talking about. I'm talking about Grandpapa, Yo, and Ekwensu Rumasi Mami Water. Then say they know they sleep for night again. They say they know they sleep for night again. Their eyes are always open. They don't know what is wrong with them. They feel restlessness. They don't have peace. It looks like something is chasing them. It looks like sometimes they can't breathe. They don't know what is wrong with them. 3 of them have the same symptoms. The same symptoms now they do them. Make una confess. May Edochie is not you people problem. Make una confess what una do. Confess. No peace for the wicked. Juju Ekwensu go pay 100 million naira. Grandpapa, there is no 2 ways about it. You go pay the one way go pay May Edochie. And if care is not taken, we end up in Kirikiri joiner. Yes. We end up. So Grandpapa coming out to beg May Edochie will not solve the problem. Because May Edochie, what you see now, can never answer you. Never. Never. If May Edochie is not a soft-hearted woman, even you, Grandpapa, say, they're supposed to carry you join them. But because of her kind soul, she's not going to do that. Because of her kind soul, she's not going to do that. Never. She's going to stand and wait for the court to do their justice. And exactly what is going on now. The courts are doing their justice and you people are angry with her. Is it May Edochie that passed the law? They carry matter go courts. Say may they go judge matter for courts. They carry matter go court to divorce. Inside divorce, a lot of things come outside. And the court now, only one judgment where they don't pass, everywhere does scatter. Final judgment never even come, everywhere don scatter. Ogini, hey, May Edochie, you are not doing too much. In short, you did not do anything. No. You did not do anything. This one is court that passed judgment. Did you say or do anything to these people? No. This is court judgment. Don't listen to anybody. Don't let anybody convince you to make you believe that you are a bad person. You are not a bad person, na so they be. Oh. All these enemy of progress, na so they be. They go come they make you, after they don't do you bad to you finish. They'll come, they pretend, they talk, this person is overdoing, you know, that I really wanted to do it. Don't listen to them. If you want to live long in this world, you see those evil people that will purposely do you evil, and they will turn back and come and be begging. Don't ever listen or forgive or even give them ear. If you get plan to buy them, buy them. If you get plan, that's why, if you buy your enemy, you go free. I don't know why people are preaching forgive your enemy. The enemy go come born pikin. That pikin go come worst past your mama. Now some family problem be oh. The reason why family problem no dey finish. The strong man in your father household, when they disturb everybody. In every family, we have a strong man. A strong man in your father household wey be say they disturb person. If you walk by, go share that winch, give your children. If you take like 3, go share them. Just imagine one person was your problem before. Now you walk by, share the problem, give 3 people. Instead of one person to dey worry the person now 3 people now come dey worry the person. And they keep on telling you forgive your enemy. Those one go still born now, go give you pikin, give you pikin, give you pikin. 3 people multiply by 3 of them don't share, give their children. Your enemy don't be how many be that? You don't they go 6. You see, I say the more the enemy, the more the problem. So why wait for them to multiply like lies for head? If you know your enemy, buy am. Yes, I'm telling you. If you want to live and enjoy your life, nobody will come life can suffer. You know this is the one that is blocking you, buy them. Buy them, even God will support you. I'm telling you the facts, nobody will tell you. I'm telling you the facts. All those big men who you see, so if they tell them who they worry them, they cut them off, and if they have opportunity, they clear them. That's why they are progressing. That's why they are progressing. See how now, you see the way they say they come? These people has been a thorn on the flesh of May Edochie for a very long time. If May Edochie sign endorsement, Juju Ekwensu will go tell her fans when they drag May Edochie. She go gather her fans together. All of them go come they fight May Edochie. They'll begin to talk different things, begin to write different things. If not be May Nation, especially Judith Obasi, that girl, God go bless her for anywhere where she did. That time, Juju Ekwensu and her sister, 2 of them, open different accounts as a Juju Ekwensu supporter. They open different accounts. They use until they fight May Edochie. You was in support. You know everything that was happening. No? Don't think that man don't know. The man know. They were fighting this woman. Not be smart, you know. Now God now stand for May Edochie. I'm telling you the facts. God now stand for May Edochie. Today now we be say, it don't reach their turn to pay. Oh, May Edochie, this is too much. Please. Please, this is too much. Where we dey get that kind of money to pay? When they thief the money, they don't know say they will pay. Especially your son, when he was stealing money from family accounts, you don't know that he will pay. Juju Ekwensu wey dey snatch people husband, you don't know say he go pay. You don't know. Wonder shall never end. You see the way they react. Now the enemy don't multiply. From you, maybe some people, the way they support you, they don't join. Juju Ekwensu, it already form enemy. They don't many. Grandpapa side, I can't say, let me just remove there. So you see the enemy say they don't many. But if you crush them, if you have the power, if you have the right, before you they crush, make sure you have the right. Make sure say you don't already let that person, you don't give that person long gap. Give them a very long gap, not short one. Leave them, may they continue to do their rubbish on you. Leave them. May Edochie, as she is now, she don't give you and Juju Ekwensu a very long gap. If she strike, the angel of God will join her to strike. The angels of God will join her to strike her enemies. My lovely fans, see Anna, Grandpapa they beg. Begging me Edochie and at the same time making it look like me Edochie is overreacting. She is overdoing. After everything they did to this woman. Juju Ekwensu go pay. You go pay. Grandpapa, there is no begging. There is no me Edochie rest on this matter. It is not even from me Edochie. It is from the court. How waiting court talk, me Edochie go say no, she don't want it like that. Make una go court, go tell the say una no want her like that. So that the case go continue again. One dash shall never end. Grandpapa is begging me Edochie that they should please remove 100 million naira for Juju Ekwensu head. Say make me Edochie reduce the money. Say the money is too big. They should reduce the money from Juju Ekwensu. Hey, that me Edochie should please all this money we cost so say they no get them. Make me Edochie biko. Make me Edochie biko. One dash shall never end, my lovely fans. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.